Hello there, my fellow traders. Today I want to talk about the OTC Oracle course. I was exposed to this course about a year ago, and it's absolutely changed everything I know about OTC trading, or at least what I thought I knew. As you can tell, I'm not in my 20s, and I've been around for quite a long time. And I took many courses along the way in all types of trading, anywhere from futures to day trading, from options to Forex. I spent a lot of money and time on these courses, but without any significant results. And then I found this OTC Oracle course, and it changed everything for me. I've never seen anything like it before, not in the broad market and especially not in the OTC world. I managed to take a $3,000 account to 30 grand in less than 6 months. I'm talking about 1,000% return on my initial investment. And it was just from part-time trading. I know it sounds too good to be true because it is. Go ahead and tell your investment advisor that you made 10x on your money in 6 months, and he probably won't believe you, but it's okay. My trading account proves it's possible, and I'm not the only one. I personally know at least 8 guys from Discord community who did way better than me. Some of them made over $1 million in profits in less than 1 year. Just check out Simple Trades Discord channel. You'll find them there. You see, you don't need to be an experienced trader. In fact, you don't need to be experienced at all. This course will teach you everything from scratch. Everything you need to know to become a profitable trader. You learn everything you need to know about how to profitably trade the OTC market. Basic things like terms, tools you need to do or to know for this trading, technical analysis, market makers, times and sales and level 2 quotes, when to hit the sell button or the buy button, how to read filings, and so much more. So let me wrap it up real quick for you. If you want to be a successful or profitable trader, or if you want to become a profitable trader and you don't know where to start, or if you're already trading and just can't produce stable, consistent, and high profits, and you don't know where or what you're doing wrong, well, this is the course you must take. And will be the only course you'll ever need.